Okay, we're at the Dollar Tree today. From one of my last videos, talked about the really nice size individual type things they have here at Dollar Tree. Got some breakfast items and some protein items, so we're gonna go see what we can get for our $20. Hang tight. Okay, well, here's their canned goods aisle. It's pretty well stocked, but what I was looking for was the chicken a la king, but unfortunately the expiration date is January 2024. You know, I look for things at least a year out, so unfortunately we're not going to be able to get that this time. We'll check for that maybe at Walmart. Okay. This is what I'd seen last time, was these breakfast biscuits. They've got 3 different flavors. Unfortunately, these are only good till 4 of 22 or 7 of 22. These that I picked up are good through 3/31 of 23, so we've got our 1 year. So I'm gonna pick up. I found these instant cream of wheats. There is 3 packets. This is going to be the heat and eat. Just add your water, or your milk, whatever you want to do with it. It's good till where'd it go? November 19th of 2023, so we got about a year and a half. So we're going to pick up 3 there on the juice aisle. They got some nice individual packages here, but of these, not a whole lot of them are a year out, but we're going to pick up a few of these, taste test them as well. But I think they'll be perfect when we one of these weeks I'm going to make a 72-hour plus bag. You know, that's the big thing now, is having a 72-hour bag, and I think these would be perfect sizes for that. So I'll see what I can pick up, make sure the expiration dates are what we're... I also found these Little Hug fruit barrels. Only 1 gram of carbs, which is great for me since I have to watch my blood sugar. So we'll get one of these to add to our drinks. Hey folks, welcome to week number 8. I think I've got a great Dollar Tree breakfast haul. We got the cream of wheat, we got some drinks, got some nutritional shakes there, got some juicy juice. These are all good expiration dates. That's April 23, and that's good through April 23, February 23, there we go, July 23, cream of wheat, November 23. Those don't ever expire. And then these breakfast bars, which I've done a taste test on these. I've also done a taste test on all of these drinks, which I like them all pretty well. And these breakfast bars are just incredible. They're good till 3/31 of 23. Now they do have peanut butter and chocolate, but they didn't last at least a year like I would like. I think you can buy them online, I'm not for sure. But this is what we've got here. Actually, sorry about that. I bought a 3rd box because I like them so much. I like that Bella Vita or Bonavita or whatever, but a heck of a lot cheaper. We ended up, if you can see, $20.05, so we're just a little over. But this is a great protein haul. I think we've got some good nutrition here, and let me add it up for us and see what we have. Okay folks, what we ended up here on this haul is total servings of 35. We have 5,000 calories, and let's see, 410 grams of protein. So, you know, the rage nowadays is doing these 72-hour kits. You see those on, you know, Emergency Essentials, ReadyWise. So with this haul here and our other previous hauls, we're going to attempt to make a 72-hour kit. And that's one that's got all the food in it and stuff. But we're going to try to be a little different on that one. We're going to try to extend it to 96 hours, which would be 4 days. You know, American Red Cross, FEMA all say 72 hours, but we're going to attempt to do that. And we're going to try to be a little different because all these bags I've seen on ReadyWise Emergency Essentials, yeah, it's got all the food, you know, the prepackaged food, which are expensive. Cheapest one I saw was on ReadyWise for $44.99. But, you know, how are you going to cook it, and what are you going to use to rehydrate all this stuff? So anyway, we're going to try that. That's going to be our one of our weeks we're going to do here, probably next week. So anyway, God bless y'all. Have a great day. I'm gone.